Hello and welcome back to episode 6 already. Here I am cleaning the rust with a steel wire brush. Well, paint this in with all the places that is naked and it's going to turn dark. All the little rust spots are now dark. This car is a 164 and this is a 240, so it's about 2% 240. Yeah, this car's really rusted. To make it kind of closing, I'm using 3M seam sealer. I'm about to paint these brake calipers in a new color. But first I need to put on some primer. First coat is in and I waited 10 minutes, so the second coat is going to get on. Now the second base coat is on. I have to wait another 10 minutes and after that I'm going to put on a heavier coating, and after that I need to wait about 30 minutes so I can put on the color based coating. Color coating is on. Need to wait some time for the clear coat, but this is it. This is the color. What do you guys think about this? Well, let's go and test the lights. The sun came back and the temperature went up, so I had to spray paint the car with Motip black. I have to do one coat, and after that I will get a clear coat onto it to get it a little bit stronger to prevent rust. I also did some seam sealer over here and in these corners, and I will go over the welds and look if there is any light coming through them and seal it off too. I also lost a lot of footage. Going to tell you what I did. In all the corners there's seam sealer. Also on the weldings that had some open spots like this, I put some seam sealer on it from 3M. I made a plate for behind here to connect these parts together. Also on the other side. And yeah, I don't really know what I'm missing. I see that I have to put some seam sealer in the corners here. Oh yeah. Also, I did the trunk black and the gasoline tank because the paint was chipping off. Oh yeah. Look at this. The hoses for the gasoline intake made a big hole here.
Bomb has been planted.
I've installed the LPG tank back in. People were asking me how the audio system is going to look like. Well, I have a thick piece of wood and I need some spacers because these are way too deep because my LPG tank is underneath here and it will interfere. So I'm going to stack some pieces of wood together and hopefully it will look fine. Just some little space. Getting all the door panels back on. And as you've seen, this is just loose because all the wood what's behind here is pretty much gone. And I wanted to replace it with something like plexiglass, but it still works. Still holds it in place. Welcome to the Netherlands. Was about to do the window seal on this window, but I couldn't find it, so temporarily fixed it. I'm soaking wet right now. I'm going to take a shower. Also, because I have a little hole down here, I'm trying to get as most of the water out of this spot here. Well, that's a lot of rain. Some small work on the back side. I had some small holes over here. It's closed now. I have some primer on it right now, and after this I will get the green coating on it. Looks good. this arm over here is different on the length. I have a 240 rear axle, and this arm over here is too short. So I have to figure out a way to do that. And how to fix this little rust spot in your window sill. It's pretty easy, just remove these large chips. After that sand away as much as you can. Put on some primer and yeah, just paint it. Well, the result is here. It's not a beautiful job, but it won't rust anymore. Important notice, it's really rusted under here, so you have to almost pop it off. Well, that was this for this episode. I'm also uploading another video about how to install remote car door locks on any old car. So go watch that.